Most people believe that power is loud. They believe the person who shouts the loudest, who gets the last word, or who reacts with the most aggression is the one in control. They see a heated argument and think the winner is the one with the sharpest tongue. They are wrong. In reality, the moment you raise your voice, you have lost. The moment you scramble to defend your character against a petty insult, you have handed over your power on a silver platter. You have shown the world that your internal peace is for sale, and the price was nothing more than a few cheap words. To master the art of being unmoved, you must understand your opponent. The psychology behind an insult is really about your inadequacy. It is a mechanism used by the attacker to manage their own internal deficits. Think of it as a mask of superiority. People with dark personality traits often struggle with feelings of powerlessness. They adopt an aggressive persona to project a false sense of superiority. By putting you down, they attempt to artificially elevate their own status. This is the emotional trap. Your reaction is the fuel that sustains them. When you react with anger, you inadvertently surrender control and signal that their opinion carries weight. Power isn't just a mindset, it's a physical presence. The elite project a demeanor that is bold, constant, and still. In the world of nonverbal dominance, stillness is your greatest asset. Overacting or moving too much is a sign of spending too much effort to attract attention. Imposing stillness on the social stage draws focus entirely to you. Own your geography. Stand with an open posture, legs open, arms away from the body. Avoid the leakage of anxiety, tapping fingers, touching your face, or crossing your arms. True power involves pressatura, making the most difficult social maneuvers look natural and executed with effortless ease. Now we use the void. Silence is not an absence of speech. It is an active tool for unsettling opponents. By utilizing silences, you force others onto the defensive. They will jump in to fill the nervous void with comments that reveal their own weaknesses. This is the art of tactical indifference. When attacked, deflect attention by making it clear the attack has not registered. Look away, answer sweetly, or simply don't acknowledge them at all. By refusing to acknowledge the offender, you cancel them out and maintain your superiority. True behavior change is identity change. You shouldn't merely try to act unbothered. You must become the type of person who is unbothered. Every time you choose silence over noise, you are voting for your new identity. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. If you are ready to build your unshakable fortress, my new book, The Silent Power, is available now. Stop reacting. Start dominating. I'll see you in the next lesson.